Hi everyone, today we are going to model the wiggle chair. First, let's create a new part and save the file to your preferred location. Next, start a new sketch on the right plane. Import the chair drawing picture by going to Tools, Sketch Tools, Sketch Picture, and select your image. Adjust the scale of the picture so it matches the real dimensions. Rotate the adjustment bar and move the key points so they align with the vertical line, and set the height to 870 mm. Check your adjustments and finish the sketch. Now create a new sketch on the right plane. Use lines and arcs to trace the profile of the chair. Then offset the outline by 50 mm. And tweak the lines to refine the back of the chair. Once you have the final contour, extrude the sketch symmetrically to both sides by 175 mm. And that's it. We now have a 3D model of the wiggle chair. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.